Today I thought I'd do a video on my top box. Don't get me wrong, I know a motorbike looks so much better without a top box on, but the top box allows you to use your motorbike for errands that you would normally use the boring car for. Now when your wife needs some milk and eggs, or you need something from the hardware store, instead of climbing in the boring car, you can jump on your motorbike and go for a cruise. I purchased this box from a plastic store. It's 100% waterproof and extremely durable. I also think it's a perfect size for my bike. It's not too big that you look like a delivery boy, and it's not too small that it's no longer practical. I mounted the box to my luggage rack, and I also put on a little reflector there that also helps make you more visible. I use the top box to store a few important items. I've always carry an extra little backpack that I can use in case I've purchased too much and it can't all fit into my top box. I store my gloves there. I've got an extra face mask, some extra sanitizer, a buff, a screwdriver, and my garage remote. As you can see, I mounted the top box to the luggage plate using a metal plate. So now this thing is so stable, it's unbelievable. It doesn't shift at all while I'm riding, and no matter how heavy the load, it does not move whatsoever. You can see it's bolted directly into the luggage rack. Here's an example. There's a big 6-liter box of box milk, and it fits nicely into my top box with a little extra space on the sides for whatever you might want to store. Yeah, that's it for today. The luggage box works perfectly for me. I hope this helps you.